Welcome back to TurboTalk. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning black MG HS, an SUV that combines bold styling, premium comfort, and modern technology in one seriously attractive package. At first glance, the MG HS makes a powerful impression. The deep black exterior gives it a sleek and commanding road presence, while the distinctive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines create a sporty yet sophisticated appearance. Stylish alloy wheels and subtle chrome details add an extra touch of luxury, making this SUV stand out from every angle. Move around to the rear, and the MG HS continues to impress with its modern LED taillights, sporty roof spoiler, and muscular bumper design. The overall look is clean, confident, and perfectly suited for drivers who want an SUV with real personality. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a refined and driver-focused cabin. Premium materials, comfortable seats, and a modern dashboard create an upscale atmosphere. The large infotainment touchscreen keeps entertainment and connectivity within easy reach, while the digital instrument display adds a futuristic touch behind the steering wheel. Depending on the variant, the MG HS can also offer features such as a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, smartphone connectivity, multiple driving modes, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Practicality is another strong point. With generous passenger space and a useful cargo area, the MG HS is ready for daily commutes, weekend adventures, and family road trips. So, what do you think of the black MG HS? Is this one of the best-looking SUVs in its class? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to TurboTalk for more incredible cars, reviews, and automotive content.